I'm really happy we're doing this. Like this, I kind of feel back at home a little bit. I mean, life's been pretty great. I am working in a hardware store now. I'm doing really well. Matter of fact, I got forklift certified, and the ladies, they love it. So I mean, I'm feeling pretty good. I heard through the grapevine that when I get promoted to assistant manager, they're gonna give me 50 cents more. It's 50 cents more than minimum wage. It's pretty good, making the big bucks. That's good. Well, I mean, like, with all this work now, I'm a blue-collar guy. I've been working 40 hours some weeks. I mean, most weeks it's 30, but some weeks I'm working 40 hours a week, and it's unreal, man. Unreal. Blue collar, man. I'm working my ass off, so I mean, I'm losing track of time some days. Just walked past this. Just a broom anywhere? Some days it's like, here I am at work. Can I hang out with friends? Not really. Can't do the things I used to be able to do, like go to the gym, hang out with my brother, hang out with my friends, practice how to wrestle. Just wrestle in general. I missed some days, but when you're working 30, 40-hour weeks, you got no time to really miss it. Good as new. Is there anything I can help you find today, sir?
Yeah, I'm sitting here looking at all these hammers, and I'm not exactly sure which one I should go with. Like, you have such a wide variety. I'm just looking for some simple stuff here.
Well, you look like a right-hand man, so you're gonna want to stay away from the left-handed hammers. Probably best bet is one of these Irwins down here. Yeah, one of those Irwins right there.
Hey, yeah, you're right. I am a righty. This is a pretty nice looking hammer right here. What do you think there, bud? You think she's pretty good? Yeah, I bet you do. Yeah, maybe we'll get this one. What do you think? Like, you're the expert. Like, are you okay? It looked like you seen a ghost or something. So is this like a good one, or I'm just trying to get hammer advice? Okay, buddy. I'm just gonna walk away now. Thanks for the help, loser.
Must be going crazy.
I don't know what happened. I mean, ever since he left town, he's been like completely off the grid. I had to hire you guys to help me find him. And now we ended up in this hardware store. He got a part-time job, making minimum wage. He's back where he was like 6 years ago in high school. It's ridiculous. We used to have fun together. We used to play catch. We used to wrestle. We love wrestling. London loves wrestling. You guys know that? But no, now he thinks he's some big shot working at the hardware store. He doesn't have any time for me. I heard he's bragging about it. He's telling all his friends he might get promoted to manager soon, assistant manager, that fact. I can't handle it. I can't handle the guy. I know he's upset. I know he's miserable. He thinks this is it. He thinks this is his ticket.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. My bad. You can ask any of my coworkers. They love me around here. So don't listen to what my brother's saying. He might be in your ear telling you that I hate this in my life, but in reality, I love it. Like, look around. Look at all this wood. Hacksaw Jim Duggan would be proud. This is amazing. Like, this is what I want to be doing. Driving a forklift, helping customers with their needs. That's me. Again, ask any of my coworkers. I'm sure they'll tell you how great I am.
And he wouldn't even be in this mess if it wasn't for Cecil Nix. You can't say that name around him. I'm sorry. It'll set a trigger off. I know he's not happy as it is. If he remembers Cecil Nix, he's gonna go over the edge.
It's definitely more than 4 inches. That's at least 6.
Hi, I was just wondering if you could help me with something. It's over in the other aisle.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, thanks.
You see that? She was talking to me. She wants my help. Oh man. Okay. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
I was just wondering if you could tell me if this is an interior door or an exterior door. Hello?
Are you okay?
Hello? Are you okay? Knock knock. Is it interior? The door?
That yeah, that right there, that's a door.
Interior?
And you know the best part about all this actually is there's no more Cecil Nix over here. I mean, can you believe it? Like, all I had to do was leave town. I didn't need him to leave town. Who would have thought it would have been for the better if I stepped away for wrestling from my own behalf? What do you know? Screw that Cecil Nix guy. And that dumb door, and that stupid ref, and Cecil Nix's dumb boots and his stupid freaking tights. They're always smelly, and his dumb haircut, and his... So that's what, like, you know, with Rona, there's no Cecil Nix around. It's just great. It's great. How could you be upset when, you know, you don't have a big old wrestler running around in his tights trying to grab you? Now it's just, you know, wood, carts, gardening, I guess. Relaxing. That's what it is. That's the word, relaxing. So much better without Cecil Nix. So this is a 5 burner. It means it's got 5 elements. Pretty good. It's better than 4. 5's better than 4. That really, I mean, that seems like your best option. You also have over here, you got another 5 burner, but I really don't know what the difference is of the two. But for some reason, I think that one's the better end.
Like, just ask the guy. He's miserable. He hates his job. He hates his life. I know how much mystery wrestling meant to him. I know London Lightning is still in there.
I hate this job. Hey, sorry, man. I didn't see you there. Just take it a second. Just take a second. I was getting tired working so hard. You know how it is. Blue collar boy. Troy, hey, man.
You there?
Oh yeah. Sorry, man. Yeah. Can we just take 5? Is that okay? Can we just take 5 for a second?
I mean, his future self killed himself in front of himself. He's gotta have PTSD. I know he's not happy right now. He needs mystery wrestling. His future self was destined for so much more before he came back. And now, he's gonna be working at a hardware store until he's 60 years old.
It looks like you're enjoying it. Oh, this is great. This is just great. Will that be all today? I mean, sure, my future self might have killed himself, which by fact, maybe I killed myself, but bro, maybe that timeline's different now. I don't know. I'm no longer stuck where future me told me I would be stuck if I did kill Cecil. So, I mean, if all that's gone, I don't have to worry about Cecil Licks anymore. I don't have to worry about mystery wrestling anymore. And frankly, I like my new life. This new life's good, it's safe, it's a hardware store. It's not death matches and extremely ruled matches and loser leaves town matches. That's behind me. What's my future? My future is hard work and hardware stores.
So, can you tell me which one the Phillips head is?
Who's Philip?
No, like the screw. Can,
You want to screw a guy named Philip?
no, do you even work here? Like the entire day, I've been just asking you to like help me with stuff, and you don't. You're pointing me in the wrong direction. You don't even know what the Phillips screw is. Like, come on. Like, all you do is just mansplain this, mansplain that, and I can't even. You didn't tell me what screw it is. Like, come on, just help me. Ugh. God. You employees here, I don't know what it is. Like, you're just treating me like I'm stupid or something. And all you do is just, you point me in the wrong direction. I just wish I could walk out of here with my dang Phillips screws. It shouldn't be that hard. Oh.
Dude, what are you doing? You were gonna hit her with a chair.
You were gonna hit me with a chair?
I wasn't gonna hit her with a chair, no.
He was gonna hit me with a chair. I'm gonna tell your manager.
No, please don't tell my
Go
manager.
get me your
please
manager.
don't tell me. No,
you-
please don't.
I-
No.
I-
Hey,
you cannot
no,
be hitting
just calm
customers
down
with
here.
a chair.
No. Don't go get my manager. No.
I'm getting
no.
your manager.
Hey, no.
I'm gonna get
no,
your manager.
I'm not London. No.
You can't hit people with a chair.
Dude. Sorry, dude. This is the one thing I had left. Well, they took away my vest and my shirt, and now I'm unemployed again. Why me? Why? Why does this happen to